Problem number 11, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw the line, and we're going to do our steps. Step number 1, distribute. We have a -2 to distribute to the m and the -5. So we go ahead and multiply. -2 times m is -2m. -2 times -5 is a positive 10. Always remember negative times a negative is a positive. If not, the calculator does it for you anyways. The 5m, you just bring it down. Equal sign, and the 17, you bring it down. So step number 1 is done. Step number 2, combine like terms. On the left side, the m's need to be combined. 5m minus 2m is 3m. Bring down the plus 10. Bring down the 17, because there's nothing to combine on the right side. Step 2 is done. Step 3, move smallest variable. Well, there's only one variable. There's not a variable on the other side. So you don't need to move the 3m to the other side. So we're not going to do step 3 because there's only one variable. There's not a variable on both sides. And then step 4, see do. What do you see happening with the m? It's multiplying by 3. And they're adding 10 to it. So we start from the bottom up and we do the opposite. Opposite of plus 10 is minus 10. So we're going to subtract 10 from both sides to get rid of that 10. 17 minus 10 is 7. Bring down the equal sign, bring down the 3m. The opposite of multiplication is division, so we're going to divide both sides by 3. M equals, we're going to put 7 divided by 3 in the calculator. 7 divided by 3 gives you a decimal. And remember I told you yesterday, and if you weren't here yesterday, we don't want decimals anymore, so you're going to hit the button that says math. And we want a fraction, so we're going to hit enter, enter, so that it can give you the fraction back. Sometimes it'll reduce it if it needs to be reduced, but if it doesn't need to be reduced, it's going to leave it like that. So my answer is just 7/3. So go ahead and put it up here as your answer. M equals 7/3.